Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear student. Today we have a new exponential equation. So this question is very important and already asked in the Oxford admission test. Let's come we start. This question is 10 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x is equal to 104. We find the value of x is unknown. So very tricky question. First of all, if we check, we are making the factor of each term, the constant base, and here we can write 2 multiplied by 5. We get 10 plus 2 exponent of x is equal to this one. We can multiply by 26. 4 multiplied by 26, we get at 100. 4. Similarly, now we can write 2 square into 26. Further, now according to the one of the exponent rule, a dot b whole exponent of m is equal to a exponent of m and b exponent of m. According to this rule, we are applying on this term. So we get here 2 exponent of x dot 5 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x is equal to 2 square into 26. Now we are taking common 2 exponent of x is common, so here 5 exponent of x plus 1 is remaining and 2 square, and here is 26. Now we try to make 26 in this form, we to bring to 26 up, so we can write 2 square and 25 plus 1. Similarly, and 22 square and 25 5 square plus 1. So we change in this form also, and here we are comparing with the base of 2 with the base. So now we will get the answer. We are comparing 2 exponent of x. 2 exponent of x is equal to 2 square. So the result is bases are same. So we are compare their exponent, we get the value of x is equal to 2. Similarly, if we are comparing, if 5 exponent of x plus 1 is equal to 5 square plus 1. Now this will be cancelled if we transfer this result. 5 exponent of x is equal to 5 square plus 1 minus 1, both are cancelled, and 5 square. Now bases are same, so we get x is equal to the same value, x is equal to 2. It means that our solution is x is equal to 2. Now we want to check our answer is correct or not. So we are proceeding for the checking. Now we want to check our answer is correct or not. Check. So 10 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x is equal to 104 is the question mark for us. So we have already calculated the value of x is equal to 2. Now we substitute this result and replace of x 2 10 square plus 2 square is question mark is 104. Now 10 square we get 100 plus 2 square is 4 is question mark is 104. If we add this result, 104 is equal to 104. So both are equal. It means that our solution is correct. X is equal to 2 is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.